So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm attempting to make slime. I asked cause my mom had went to the store and I asked her can she buy me the Elmer's glue, but they didn't have it at Dollar Tree. So I just got this glue. I really don't like this glue, but yeah. It's the white glue, the regular glue, but in a different brand. See? So I'm going to be using glue. I couldn't find my container, so I'm using a white cup, some perfume, Sunset by the Pool, and it's also from Bath and Body Works. It smells good. It smells really good. Then I got lotion, I guess. Yeah, I'm just this body wash. I'm just gonna be using it as lotion to see if it really works. So, and then of course I have Tide, and then I have my mixing thing. So let's get to this video. And yes, I got on shorts. See, look. So let's get to this video. Also, sorry. Also, I am using headphones because if you hear that noise in the background, it's just the air conditioner because it's hot out here where I live. So let's get it. Oh, why does glue look blue when I first pull it in? I'm gonna use a little to see if it works, but if it don't work, I'm gonna try again. So that's just a piggy bank. Not a piggy bank, but you know. So next, I'm pulling perfume in. It's probably gonna turn the slime red, but at the same time, it probably don't. So, and if you watch this video and you what's name, and you say why did her voice sound like that on video, don't mind. I don't know either. It's just my regular voice. But if you meet me in person, it sounds way different. Oh, this so open. So look, y'all. Wait. It just look like white. Hold on, wait. It just look white. It just look white. But it's a little red. So I'm gonna add. No, I'm gonna add this last. No, I should add a little now. There, I added a drop because I don't want nothing to happen. I add another one. So, oh, and comment down below if you already started school. I'm starting in 2 weeks, September 4th. So I'm finna mix it. I'm gonna put the Tide in a minute though. Oh, it didn't really, nothing happened though. Let's see. Okay, I'm finna start adding the Tide. If you don't want it, the thing, if you don't want it that blue, either it's just gonna turn blue. But if you use a clear Tide, it will just turn clear. But if you only want this to be light blue, just keep adding a little Tide so it won't turn that blue. So, why you need to pull that much? There you go. So I hope it worked. Oh, it is working. See, look. I'm still gonna make some more. I just wanted to see if it will work. Oh, it's melting. This was a fail. I'll post another video after I'm done editing this one. Cause I'm gonna do what's in my backpack video after this video. So make sure, also I forgot to say this in the beginning, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. So okay, thank you. This is a fail. See, look, it was a fail. Oh wait. Y'all probably couldn't really see, but it's okay. Sorry. And also comment down below to help me make what should I call you guys, because I don't know what. Maybe I need to put this in the refrigerator. Maybe. It's not working that good, but it's working okay. Okay, I'm start touching it. Wait. I want to make sure it's really good. Should I add some more glue? It might mess it up. But, oh well. It was already a fail anyway. Excuse me. I was finna burp, but I couldn't. It's just keep melting the slime. Ain't none come out. Only some drops did. So y'all put it on this bottle. Ooh. Oh, it just smelled like goo. That perfume didn't do nothing. Maybe I should have put the perfume last. If my hands are red, I would just eat some hot Cheetos. I also have two sisters. One name is Brooklyn, and one name is Janae. I have a twin, Janae. Her name is Janae. We both 11, going to the 6th grade. Oh, this was a fail. It was kind of. I don't know if it really worked. It ain't that stretchy, but. Oh, this only gonna be like 9 minutes long. Sorry if it's too long. It's just that. Oh, I need to add more Tide. In a backpack video, I might only make that 5 minutes. I might change my backpack though. Through the year. Oh, I just added too much Tide. It's not gonna work no more. Oh, I'm bad at it. I cannot get this on the carpet. Look, this is a fail. So I'm finna end this video. So once again, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. And my intro will be coming soon. So make sure you thumbs up this video if I did okay. But not okay. So peace.